Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Dreame home app setup for the Dreame D20 Air Plus. If you're interested in the D20, the link to it will be in our video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals, and our newly released robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check those links in the description. So we're in the Dreame app right now. We need to add a new device. So for us, we have multiple devices here within our app. So top right-hand corner, we're going to hit those three dots. And we have a little menu that drops down, and the first one we want to hit is that plus button that says add a device. Scan the QR code on the robot to add your device. So we need to flip our D20 over, and we have our code right there. So we just scanned it. Now place the robot in the base station or press and hold the power button to turn it on. Ours is already on, but let's go ahead and let's confirm that. So we'll go ahead, press and hold. There we go. So it's on right now.
Start.
Now we're going to go ahead and confirm that. Hit next. Release the hotspot. So we got to press and hold both the power and home button for 3 seconds, and we'll hear a voice.
Waiting for the network.
So now we're going to let go. Hit that check mark that we did here, the prompt. Select next. Now at this screen, make sure you're connected to your home network and you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Then select next. And now we got to join the device hotspot. So select that tan button. It pops it up. Hit join. Now everything's going to work on connecting, so we'll just wait for it to initialize and set everything up. So right now the phone is connecting to the device, and we wait.
Phone connected.
There we go.
Please return to app to wait for the result.
So once this is done, we'll be able to hit that next button.
Network connected.
Network's connected. We'll wait for the app to catch up.
Place robot back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing start
There we go.
it means
Next,
the installation is in place.
we can rename it. We'll leave it the default name. Hit finished. Now it's loading for us, and then it'll be added to our screen. So here we go. There it is. It's taking us into it automatically. We can agree. It has mopping tips for you right here. Try now. Walks you through map display, map editing. And we have a firmware update. I highly recommend updating the firmware. And then you'll see once you have the firmware updated, once everything is all good to go, you'll see this start fast mapping beige tan button in the center. That's going to be your next step. But the app setup itself is super simple. And then once you want to proceed further, just place the station where you want it in your house, open up all the doors in your house, and tidy up the floor, and then go ahead and start fast mapping. It'll go out throughout the house, create the map. It'll come back to the station. Then you can edit the map, and then you'll be able to do your cleaning either on a room basis, a whole house basis. There's just a lot of features. But the first thing you do after you set it up is create your map. Then you can start cleaning. But overall, super simple and straightforward to add the D20 Air Plus to your account, and then you'll be at this screen where you see everything that we have here. And the next step to do is to start fast mapping. But overall, app setup is simple, straightforward. Scan the code, enter your Wi-Fi information, let it connect. It should take you 2 to 3 minutes tops.